When you learn a new language, you always start with alphabets, and German is no different. Although the alphabets are similar to that of English, they sound totally different. Believe me. For example, A in English is pronounced as A in German. Similarly, Y in English is pronounced as Yacht in German. When you start speaking German, you want to sound more clear and be understood, especially when you want to spell some words. In this video, we'll try to learn how to pronounce all the 30 alphabets in German. In German, we call the alphabets as the Alphabete. Before learning the pronunciation, I would like to say that there are 4 extra alphabets in German, unlike in English. In English, there are 26 alphabets, whereas in German, there are 30 alphabets. A is pronounced as A, B, B, C, C, D, D. That means A, B, C, D. E is pronounced as A. F is pronounced as F. G as G. H as H. I as E. So that means A, F, G, H, E. Let's repeat once again. A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, E. Moving on. J is pronounced as yacht. K as ka, L as L, M as M, N as N, O as O, P as P, Q as Q, R as R. Yacht, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Moving on. S is pronounced as S, T as T, U as U, V as V, W as W, X as X, Y as Y, Z as Z. Let's repeat. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now these are the 4 extra alphabets present in German. The 2 dots are called as umlaut. This is a umlaut. It is pronounced as e. O umlaut is pronounced as u. You need to circle your lips and the voice should come from your tummy. U. And U umlaut is pronounced as U. Again, you need to circle your lips and then the voice should come from your tummy and it is as though you're going to say U. So it is U. And finally, scharfes S. So let's repeat. E, U, U, S. Now let's repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, V, X, Y, Z. E, M, U, S, Z. That's all in this video, guys. Vielen Dank. Thank you very much.